Hey y'all, Nico here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thanks for joining me. I'm Nico. Today is day 30 of the Triple R challenge. Yes, day 30. Oh my gosh, like, can you believe it? We are nearing the end. Today's practice is a rebuild practice, and we're doing a rise and affirm practice. So we'll be building some heat here, and we'll be adding in our affirmations throughout, and we'll say them at the end too, like we've been doing. So let's go ahead and get in a comfortable seated position. Shoulders relaxed, chin parallel to the floor. Close your eyes or lower your gaze to the floor. Let's take some breaths. Deep inhale through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Second, deep inhale through the nose. And exhale out the mouth. One more deep inhale through the nose. And exhale out the mouth. Good. Return to the natural breath. Try to see if you could find a steady breath in and out of the nose to use throughout the practice. Of course, use your mouth to breathe if you need to, but I want to challenge you to keep your lips sealed if you can do so safely. Good. We'll take an inhale. Exhale, let's come straight to Child's Pose Balasana. So coming up to hands and knees, and then bringing your big toes together, your knees wide as you float the hips back towards the heels. Extend the arms forward and melt down towards your mat. Forehead, chin, or cheek can rest down. If at any time you need a break, you can always come to Child's Pose. This is like a great resting pose and a great pose in general. Top 5 favorite poses for me. Let's take an inhale. Exhale, shift your weight forward. Let's warm the body up just a little bit with cat-cow, Marjaryasana and Bidalasana. Take an inhale, arch the spine, lift the chin, flip the tailbone up and away. Exhale, round the spine, tuck the tailbone under, bring the chin down towards the chest. Good. Inhale, arch the spine. Lift the chin, flip the tailbone up and away. Exhale, round the spine, tuck the tailbone under, chin down to the chest. Good. Move with your breath. Good, a couple more rounds of cat-cow. And we'll come back to a neutral spine again. Tuck your toes under. Lift your hips up and back. We'll come to Adho Mukha Svanasana, down dog. Press your chest towards the thighs, the heels towards the ground. Good. Let's pedal our feet out a little bit here. Try to keep your back nice and flat as possible. Good. Shift your weight from one foot to the other. Always drop down to the knees if you ever need to break off the arms. Let's take an inhale, extend the right leg back. Exhale, step that right foot up in between the hands. We're going to keep this left hand planted, and we're going to grab the right leg with the right arm and look over to the right for this version of revolve low lunge. Kind of holding on to the knee here. Good. Take an inhale, exhale, come back to center, come back square with that front leg. Lower the left knee down, top of the left foot can come down too. We'll sweep both arms up for Anjaneyasana, low lunge. Align that right knee over the ankle. Good. And here, affirm. I can begin again and again. And from here, tuck that left toe under, and we'll come up to high lunge. So pushing into that left toe, coming up for Ashta Chandrasana. Gotta keep that right knee nice and aligned over that ankle. Rotate the back heel down if you need to. Take an inhale. Exhale, bring those hands down on either side of the front foot. Step that right foot back, come to plank, Palakasana. Make sure those shoulders are away from the ears. Take an inhale here in plank. Drop down to modified plank if you need to on the knees. We'll take an inhale. Exhale, we're gonna do this kind of frog, forward bend, squat, plank thing. So all I want you to do is bend your knees, press your hips back towards your heels, and come forward. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Float back, bend the knees. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back. Inhale, forward, come back to plank. We'll move through a vinyasa. Inhale, plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, cobra or up dog. Exhale, down dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Good. Take some breaths here. Reestablish a steady breath. Your heart rate is probably higher now. Let's come back to the breath. Good, let's do the other side. Take an inhale, extend that left leg back. Exhale, step it up in between the hands. Keep that right hand planted down. Grab that left leg with the left arm. Look over to the left. You could do this with the knee lowered down too if you need a little more stability. Good. Take an inhale. Exhale. Come back to center. Back square with that front knee. Lower the right knee down. Top of the back foot can come flat down as well. Align the left knee over the ankle. Sweep the arms up. Anjaneyasana, low lunge. Good. From here, we'll tuck that back toe under and lift the right knee off the ground for a high lunge, Ashta Chandrasana. Good. Affirm here, I move with intention. Take an inhale in Ashta Chandrasana. Exhale, bring those hands down on either side of the front foot. Step back to full plank or modified plank. And if you're a full plank, we'll do our squat. Take an inhale. Exhale, float the hips back. Find your squat. Inhale forward. Exhale back. Inhale forward. Exhale back. Inhale forward, come to plank again. We'll move to vinyasa. Inhale plank. Exhale chaturanga. Inhale cobra or up dog. Exhale down dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Take some breaths here. Good. Reestablish that breath. Inhale. Exhale, drop down to the knees, big toes together, knees wide. Float the hips back. Extend the arms forward. Come to Balasana, child's pose. Find that steady, even breath again. Good. Take an inhale. Exhale. I'm going to sit back on the heels. If this doesn't feel good for you, go ahead and come to a kneeling position. But if sitting back on the heels is fine, then that'll do. We'll interlace the fingers behind us, roll the shoulders back, and kind of lift the hands a little bit. If you're kneeling, feel free to sit back slightly. Roll the shoulders back, lift the chin. Good. Take some breaths here. Good. Couple more breaths. Inhale. Exhale, release. Come back to a neutral spine. We'll make our way down to our back. However you get there is fine. Now we're going to go ahead and extend the legs to straight. And then I want you to lift the right leg and see if you could grab the big toe with your peace fingers. If not, I want you to hold the leg here at your calf. That's totally fine. But if you can, grab the big toe and kind of pull that leg towards you. Left leg stays extended to straight. Good. Keep that left foot flexed. Take an inhale here. Exhale, open that right foot out to the side. So you can either still hang on to the calf or somewhere along the leg, or you can keep the hand on the big toe, or you could grab the outside of the foot, whatever works best for you. Inhale, exhale. We'll now cross this right leg over to the left. You could keep that leg extended to straight. I'm gonna scoot over just a little bit so I have some room. Good. And extend that right arm out to the side. Affirm here, I trust my timing. Inhale, exhale, extend that right leg to straight again. And we'll do the other side. So this time, lifting the left leg off the ground, either grabbing the big toe, the ankle, or somewhere along that left leg, pulling it towards you. Okay, inhale, exhale, bring that left leg out to the side. Try to keep that right hip grounded. Inhale. Exhale, let's bring this left leg over to the right, finding a twist. Good. You could hold on to the leg with the right hand. Left arm extends out to the side. Let's take an inhale. Exhale, come to center again. Hug the knees into the chest, squeeze yourself into a ball. Inhale, hold. Exhale, release to Shavasana. Feet reach towards the bottom corners of your mat. Arms rest at your sides, palms facing upward. If you have a more comfortable position you want to be in, or you want to come to a seated position, you can do that now. Let's come back to the breath. Deep inhale through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Second, deep inhale through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Good. One more deep inhale through the nose. And exhale out the mouth. Let's come back to the natural breath again. Allowing your breath to flow naturally and normally. Noticing the feel of your body versus how you felt when you began this practice. Allowing yourself to rest and relax here in this moment after all the hard work you just did. While you're here, I'll say those affirmations to you once again, which you can repeat silently to yourself or aloud. I can begin again and again. I move with intention. I trust my timing. If you'd like to stay here longer, I invite you to pause this video now. Otherwise, begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, coming back into your body and back into the room. And if you're laying down, roll to your favorite side using your arm as a pillow. As we take a moment here to reflect on our practice and to extend gratitude towards ourselves for this act of self-care and self-love and strength and will today. On your next inhale, come up to a comfortable seat once again. And together we'll sweep the arms up overhead. Inhale, let the hands meet. Exhale, float them down to heart center. Namaste. Okay guys, thank you for joining me for day 30 of the Triple R challenge. We have one more day left. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about this video and how you have been feeling about the challenge. Check the links in my description box to my meditation album, my Patreon, my Amazon storefront is down there, has these outfits and all the outfits I've been wearing throughout the challenge. And there's a link down there about joining my channel as a member for access to exclusive and longer videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you tomorrow. Peace and love.